How to apply multiple filters in one snap on Snapchat. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can apply multiple filters in one snap. The first thing you want to do is launch open Snapchat. Make sure that you're using the latest version of the app. You can update it from Play Store or App Store. Now you simply want to click a photo. Once you do that, down below you have different filters, so go ahead and apply whichever you want. Once you apply this filter, if you want to apply another filter and you select that, you will see that the filter has been switched. So Snapchat does not support applying multiple filters on one photo, but there is a workaround. What you can do is select your first filter, then tap on the save option. After you have saved this snap, you again want to tap on the memories option. Once you have opened the snap, you can tap on this filter icon. Now go ahead and select your second filter here. Once you're happy with this, you can simply save this. So Snapchat does not support applying multiple filters, however you can try this workaround. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.